It tastes like bread.
Terminated his employment in 2023 after an internal investigation. Staying with healthcare news, state health officials say they're concerned about access to primary care in the common portion of the healthcare dollars spent in the state. And the share of primary for several years, while the share of specialists increased. The commission's results says those are concerning.
luck.
It tastes like bread. That made.